Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to delete completed tasks on Google Tasks. Now, if you want to declutter the completed section of your Google Task, it's quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are logged in, this is what you're going to see. So as you can see here, we have some tasks here that are yet to be done, so to speak. So this is an example, of course. You might have more, you might have less, depending on how much of a workload you have. And once you see the completed list, as you can see here, we have 3. So open close parentheses, you have 3, right? So all you need to do to see the completed list is click on this arrow here. This is a drop down option. So if we click on this like so, you're going to see all the completed tasks that you've done. So if you want to delete one, all you need to do is hover your mouse. As you can see, it's going to be highlighted by light blue, right? And you're going to see on the right-hand side, there is a trash can icon. And if you hover it here, it's going to see a delete task option. All you need to do is click on it. Bam, there you go. It's over. That task has been deleted. And you can now declutter your completed task bar. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.